Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use Twilight Blue Light Filter on your mobile phone. Friends, by the help of this app, you can very easily protect your eyes while using mobile phone.
So open Play Store. Here search for Twilight app. Now we need to install this application. Press on accept. Press on open. Here you can read all the information and instructions. From here you can change its color temperature, its intensity and screen dim. I leave it to default settings. You can pause this app from notifications. Here you can press on pause. Now as you can see, the reddish light from my mobile screen is gone, and press on resume to activate this app. So by applying blue light filter, you can very easily protect your eyes from harmful effect of mobile screen. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.